Hi everyone, welcome to my multiplying tutorial, where today I'm going to be looking at multiplying numbers by 10, which is ideal if your age is 9 to 11. So let's look at an example, which is 4.5 times 10. So the first step I need to do is to draw a place value column, just like I have here, where I've got my hundreds column, my tens column, my ones column, and my tenths column. And you can see I've put a decimal point in between my ones and my tenths column. Once you've done this, you now need to put your numbers into the place value column. So for 4.5, I put my 4 into my ones column and my 5 into the tenths column. Now, when we're multiplying by 10, we're moving one space bigger. And a good way of remembering this is to look at the number of zeros in the 10, which is 1 0, which means you're moving one space across. So the 4 will move from the ones column to the tens column, and the 5 will move from the tenths column to the ones column. So the answer would become 45. Let's look at another example, which is 78 times 10. So same again, the first step is to put your numbers into your place value column. So my 7 in the 70 would go in the tens column, and my 8 would go in the ones column. And same again, I'm multiplying by 10, so I'm moving one space bigger. So the numbers are going to move one space. So my 7 will move from the tens to the hundreds, and the 8 will move from the ones column to the tens column. So the answer will be 780. And you'll notice here it's really important to put a 0 in your empty ones column. Otherwise, your answer will just look like 78. So when there's an empty ones column, you need to fill it with a 0. So the answer is 780. So here are some questions that I would like you to try on your own now. So if you want to pause this video and give these questions a go, just like the examples I've gone through, pause me now, and in a few seconds, I'll move on to the next slide and show you the answers to these questions. So pause me now, and in a few seconds, I'll move on to show you the answers. So here are the answers to the questions just before. So 3.5 times 10 is 35. 7.4 times 10 is 74. 2.5 times 10 is 25. 7.3 times 10 is 73. And for the next set of questions, 74 times 10 is 740. And you've got the 0 in that ones column. 89 times 10 is 890. 123 times 10 is 1,230. And 456 times 10 is 4,560. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you on the next video.